Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a quiz with Kahoot easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Kahoot website at kahoot.com. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button and fill out the required details. If you already have an account, simply click on the login button and enter your credentials. Once you are logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Look for the Create button usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to start a new quiz. You will be prompted to choose between different types of Kahoots. Select Quiz for this tutorial. Next, you will be taken to the quiz creation interface. Begin by entering a title for your quiz in the provided text box. You can also add a short description if desired, but this is optional. Next, choose a cover image by clicking on the image icon. You can upload your own image or select one from Kahoot's library. Now, it's time to add questions to your quiz. Click on the Add Question button. A drop-down menu will appear, offering various question types. Select the type of question you want, such as multiple choice or true/false. Type your question into the designated text box. Then, enter the answer choices in the available fields. Make sure to mark the correct answer by clicking on the checkbox next to it. You can add more answer choices if needed by selecting Add Answer. After completing the question, you can click Add Question to continue adding more. Repeat this process until you have all the desired questions in your quiz. Once you have added all your questions, take a moment to review them. You can edit any question by clicking the pencil icon next to it. If you want to delete a question, simply click the trash can icon. When you are satisfied with your quiz, look for the Save button. Click on it to ensure all your work is not lost. Now that your quiz is saved, you can customize settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.